All right. Michael Armstrong here, team leader, Keller Williams here in Vero Beach, Florida, just coming to you live from the Vero Beach Market Center with the final bold numbers, the bold update as we've all graduated this past Tuesday. And I can't tell you, I've been more prouder of a group in my whole career, to be honest with you, all 22 years that I've been in the business. We put up some really, really good numbers. So I want to share those with you. The 7-week period ended this past Tuesday. We brought in 215 listings. We brought in 160 contracts that came in from buyers. And we also brought in 410 buyer brokerage agreements that will come to fruition here in the next couple of weeks to come, all with 130 Keller Williams people throughout the Treasure Coast. So tell you, those are some phenomenal results. The total GCI of what's in the system right now is $3.75 million that will be closing over the next month to 2 months, say. So very excited to see all that come in. And remember, most of that, majority of it will be at 100% because it will cap the majority of the 130 that were in the room. So we have an AHA mastermind coming up on Friday. It's at 1 p.m. There's only 300 spots. So if you're wondering how these 130 individuals put up these kind of numbers, come on in. We have a different person from each market center that had some success with it, that is coming in to discuss how they did it, what were the strategies they used. And we open this up not just to Keller Williams associates. This is opened up to anybody in the industry that you think may benefit from it. So if you know somebody in a different office, feel free to share this video with them. We can share the link and all that with them as well. So again, that's this Friday, 1 o'clock. Ryan Hoosier out of the Vero Beach Market Center will be representing us. He was the Rookie of the Year for last year with over $5 million in sales his first year. So just know you got some really good talent that's going to be on that panel. We have one from each market center. So again, that's this Friday, 1 p.m. The link will be in the post that we put this through. If not, just reach out to your ATL or your team leader, and they will get the information to you. And if you have somebody outside the company that you want to invite, reach out to your team leader and have them do the specific invite. So again, that's 215 listings, 410 buyer brokerage agreements, and 160 homes put under contract by you guys. I can't believe it. I'm so excited for your success. Remember, just because bold ended doesn't mean your business ends. Keep up the momentum, keep up the contacts, keep up the database, let's push through and make your career a successful one.